Hey, easy things, you're in Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I came across your product listing, the 12-inch upholstery shears, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 4.6 star rating and your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how competitive this category is, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative for my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic. And what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. Now, looking at your distribution here, I can see you're running ads for 49 and organically indexing for 681. And this is good because you're utilizing both your SEO and PPC to boost traffic and conversions, but you can still improve this. There's still hundreds of additional keywords that you can index and bid for. You can check out this word cloud right here, as these are the most important keywords for your listing. Now, also to maximize your reach, we typically recommend a golden ratio of 1 to 2. That is, for every two organics, we aim to have one paid keyword for better traffic and conversion. Down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities. And as you can see, you're already ranking organically for most of the keywords right here, which is awesome because that means you're targeting the right terms that shoppers actually search for. If you take a look at this keyword phrase here, scissors for fabric cutting with 4,600 searches, you are on page one, which is great. Now, if we take a look at this one right here, fabric scissors with 67,000 searches, as well as heavy duty scissors 9,000 and fabric scissors for cutting clothes with 5,000 searches, you're ranking there, which is good. It's a great start, but you're still in high positions. But we can help you push these rankings up, ideally into single digits, because that's where most buyers click and sales happen. Now, I want to show you how big your category is on Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase fabric scissors alone, there's $2.7 million in monthly revenue. And the top sellers are getting 44 grand on average. And I see that there's still plenty of market share that you can tap into. So for this ASIN, you're able to sell to 26 units, generating 5 grand, which I think is still not getting your fair share here. So, imagine your brand getting as much as the average. That would be nice, right? Now, we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitors here. This is from Fizzcars, but of course, this is not to compare products at all. I know this is a big name, but being in the same category, I just wanted to show you how they strategize on their keywords and see how we can benefit from them. So this brand was able to sell 1,000 units, that is compared to your 226. Now looking at their keyword strategy, you can see that they're not running ads, but they're organically indexing for more keywords than you guys, 1,600 versus your 600. And that means more chances for them of ranking for key search terms. Now we can help you close the gap here by running a keyword gap analysis. So that's where we identify our top 10 competitors and integrate their high converting keywords into your own listing. And speaking of keywords, we can share this keyword export here for free if you book a quick call with us today. Moving on to your product detail page, so the title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing, and you can still maximize this as the title can have 200 characters and each bullet can have 250 to 500. And don't forget to update them from time to time as SEO is not set and forget. Your image stack has 10 images. Your main image has a white background. You've got different angle shots, lifestyle image, but you're still missing your infographics detailing the product as well as feature photos telling us what sets you apart. You might also want to add a demographic image showing us your customer avatar, ideally smiling at the camera as they're proven to boost conversions on Amazon. But good job on the videos as they really help with your listing's credibility. Now, your A plus content could be the deciding factor that makes buyers choose product. I see you've got one right here. Good job utilizing different modules, making this very engaging and adding crawlable text. There is also text behind the images, and you can add up to 100 characters here and even include misspellings and Spanish terms. Now, you have your brand story, which is great. You've got your clickable links, increasing your average order value, but like I said, you can still add your keyword rich copy here telling us about your brand, increasing brand awareness in the process. And you can also add a product grid module here for easy comparison. But yeah, those are just a few things we can do for your brand. If you want to know more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So, whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.